So, maganda nga bang gamitin pang farm yung Dark Elf Wizard na class dito sa Armenes, dito sa Rohan 2 Global? Yun yung i-check natin today. Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin kung magkano nga ba yung mag-farm ng Dark Elf Wizard na class natin on its current level and also combat power. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you would be updated kapag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin kung gaano nga ba ka-efficient gamitin pang farm yung Dark Elf na Wizard class dito kay Rohan 2 Global. Mind you guys na meron na tayong set and also may upgrade na yung mga emblems natin. So kahit pa paano, medyo mas malaki yung difference in terms of the damage output. Pero dito ipapakita ko din naman sa inyo kung ilan yung napafarm natin per minute and then we're going to also compute it on an hourly basis and a daily basis para makita nyo at magkaroon kayo ng idea on how efficient it was. Okay? Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So una, pag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung class na pinili natin. So basically, what I like about Dark Elf is you have two classes to pick with, either Warlock or Wizard. Okay? So in my case, since gusto kong i-check yung farming dahil maraming AoE skills yung Wizard, Wizard yung pinili natin. Most of the skills here guys are AoE except for this one. So Oblivion Road, hindi siya AoE skill. Ito naman parang electric. So basically kung malapit yung mob together with the other mobs, then tatagos pa din yung atake. Then the Falling Hex has the largest AoE skill for Wizard as well. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, almost one hit lang natin yung mga mobs dito. Okay, so pinapaypay lang ng Wizard class natin. Currently, we have 229k CP. Okay, for this one, we have 229k power. So imagine kung mas mataas pa to guys and naka-legendary set pa to, mas OP siya in terms of the damage output. In terms of the PvP, so far, it's still good as well. Akala ko Warlock yung pinaka-okay, pero basically, they're both the same so long as may item kayo. Okay, ganun naman kasi talaga pag parehong may item yan, matik yan, malakas talaga yung character nyo. But for this specific class, napakalaki ng chance na mag-dominate to, especially kung kumpleto yung set, kumpleto ang emblem, and also talagang meron ka ng, alam mo yun, kumbaga ginastusan mo na siya, lahat na meron sa'yo, kumbaga endgame na yung character mo. Alright? Now, how much cron can I farm in a minute? So, check natin guys. So, mag-power saving mode tayo dito. Sana wala lang sumausaw. Alright? So, balikan natin guys once the 1 minute is up para makita nyo yung total cron na napo-farm natin per minute. Okay? Okay, 1 minute is up and currently ang na-farm natin is around 59k. So 59k yung total na na-farm natin dito sa spot lang na to. So this is the spot that you have to be in kasi ito yung pinakamalambot na mob dito sa Armenes. Okay? But anyway, if we compute that, let's say for example, mag-pull up tayo ng calculator guys, no? So, in this calculator, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung napafarm natin within an hour and also in a daily basis. So, 59k crons, okay, yung napafarm natin per minute. Multiply natin to by 60. We have 3.5 M. Ito yung napafarm natin na crons per minute. Okay, ngayon, since merong 24 hours sa loob ng isang araw, all you just need to do is to multiply this by 24. And ito yung total farm natin in a daily basis. So try to imagine 84.9 million, okay, almost 85 M crons yung farm ng character na to by just having an Asian set. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung set natin dito are just Asian set. Okay? So itong Asian set na to guys, plus 20. Though the stats here are already maxed out. I already created sets na merong red stat. Okay? Though hindi pa to yung pinakasagad. Okay? Pero currently, kung i-upgrade pa natin to into legendary, mas mataas pa yung pwede natin maging damage output. Okay? But anyway, in terms of like which stat to get para sa Dark Elf, ano yung stats na dapat nyong dagdagan, gagawin natin yan on our next video guys. Okay? Kasi baka humaba ang video na to. Now, since pinakita ko sa inyo yung daily farm natin, okay, try naman natin tong computein sa monthly. Okay? So kung monthly, around times natin ito ng 30, of course 30 days. So meron tayong 2.5 billion cron. Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin sa 2.5 billion cron, i-divide natin to sa 1 million. Okay? So kasi dyan natin makukuha yung total rubies na pwede natin makuha in the game. So, mali yung ginawa ko, minusan ko lang siya ng 1 million. But anyway, divide na lang natin to sa 1 million. Alright, since close naman siya. So, we have 2.5k na i-convert natin sa ruby, if in any case man. So, syempre, itong 2.5k pieces na to is like 1 M each. Okay? And pag nagbenta tayo sa front trade, guys, makikita nyo yung presyo nito is around 7.68. So, let's say, for example, we were able to sell 2.5 pieces of 1 M crons each. Okay? So, multiply natin sa 7.68. It's around 19,000. Okay? Yan yung current price ni Ruby X right now. Kung mabibenta natin, of course, yung front. Let's say, nabenta natin yung 2.5p. Okay? Now, you can actually sell it either sa... Pwede nyo siyang ibenta, guys, sa mga players like P2P directly para ma-avoid nyo yung 30% tax sa exchange. But if you're going to like sold it sa exchange, mababawasan niya ng 30%. Which is going to make you lose a huge amount of money as well. Okay? But then again, if you can sell it sa mga players na naghahanap, mas better yon. Marami din naman naghahanap, especially sa mga Dark Leaf season, may mga naghahanap yan. Siyempre, mga gumagastos and those stuff. Okay? Now, at least naipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda na gumawa ng Dark Elf class. Actually, hindi pa to talaga sagad na set kasi 110 set pa lang to. May mga 120 set na po. Okay? So ito, gagamitin lang natin to for experiment kasi ang main class talaga natin is done. With done, I think I was able to get around 3.9M to 4M per hour. So mas malaki yung napafarm natin doon. Iba pa yung napafarm ko sa boss hunt. So, don't worry guys, nagawa natin ng video yung boss hunt as well para magkaroon kayo ng idea on how I do things pagdating sa boss hunt. But yun lang naman, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. And if you like this one, kindly share it with your friends. Share na rin sa tropa nyo na interesado maglaro ng Rohan to Global. Peace out!